Hello, this is NNease, and we are at my website, N Squared Learning. And if we scroll down a little bit, you can see about myself, that I'm part of the Learning Technology and Design Masters of Science program. And then looking at my portfolio for this current class, I wanted you to see that I have created the resources, the adaptive learning resources here, those 20 different places where I have gone to learn about these different educational resources and how to use them in my classroom. Let's see. I showed you a tutorial on using a PhET, which is an interactive physics simulation. And so there's numerous of those that I can use. So that's there. And then let's see. Next is my gamification lesson, where I changed one of my assessments into a game using GameLab. And so you type in a nickname here, and you can continue and see that, oh, look at that, I made the high score for this particular game. And so it goes through a series of questions about thermodynamics and the use of the labs that my students will be doing in their project. So that's the gamification part. And then the entire unit of instruction of incorporating these adaptive learning techniques is here. And it's my thermodynamics of the inefficient coffee cup. And so I'm wanting to use a project-based learning unit and use more technology in it. So the students will be collecting their data from the lab using a temperature probe. Then they'll be using a graphical analysis program to analyze the data that they've collected. And then their final assessment is a video where they create a video to show the coffee cup manager the modifications they've made to their cup, how that affected their results using experimentation, and then telling the manager that they've achieved the goal of keeping the coffee hotter longer. And so that's their project there. So that is my show and tell of the things that I've created through this semester. And I'll be I'm looking at course objective number 2, creating innovative adaptive learning techniques using a variety of digital tools and resources. So this is the first time I've created a website, so I was excited about doing that. And then I was able to modify an existing assessment. The skills chart in this project-based learning unit, and then change that skills chart into a game. So I used the gamification and able to use that in my classroom next year. All right, well, thank you very much.